Hello, friends and viewers. Welcome to the new video. I'm been posting the videos after a very long time. I have continued working on YouTube. I'll be bringing new content for you that would be helpful. And in this new video, I'll be able to help you that how you can generate new leads from Google using the searching technique for your work. Like we will also be using ChatGPT helping us like organizing our data, and we'll be generating leads from the Google. Like we will use the searching technique. Whenever if you need to generate the leads from Google, what we'll do is we'll write a format on here in Google search browser. You need to search site dot whatever the site you want to get the data from. So you will write, for an example, I want to get the data from YouTube. So I will write site dot youtube.com, and then after the space I will enter the inverted commas, and in the inverted commas I will enter a niche. For an example, I will enter here bodybuilding. So after that, enter a space, and in the inverted commas you need to enter like a location. For an example, I will enter the location UK. After that, in the inverted commas, if I need the leads, like the number of emails, in the format of @gmail.com, so I will enter @gmail.com. What will happen? Google will provide us a number of YouTube channels that are bodybuilders, and where they're using their email address like that ends with @gmail.com, like this. So what we'll do is, for an example, that we got the data. So we'll start copying this data to the end of the page. So this is just the first page of the Google search browser. We can like browse all the pages as well. So what we'll do is we'll copy it like this and go to ChatGPT. Now we'll command the ChatGPT to provide us this, like to organize this data in a better way, like in a table format. So I have already the command that I will use. This is the command that I'll be using. ChatGPT will understand what I want to tell the AI bot. So I will tell that I'll enter in the ChatGPT that I want the name, email, source, country, any channel name or Instagram handle. So I'll give it the data that we have gathered like this, and we will copy this data, and after that we'll paste it here just like that. After that, ChatGPT is going to organize this data and will provide us in a better way, like in a table format like this. You can also check it here. So basically, it started to generate like the data, the channel name, the email, the source, like it's YouTube, it's Facebook, the country, the channel handle, like if it's Instagram or something. If there is any phone number provided, for an example, here the phone number is being provided of this. So it's been organizing the data, and we got a few data, like a few email addresses, the location, the Instagram handles. So what we can do, we can like browse to another pages as well. We can copy the data from the start to the end, and we can ask ChatGPT to provide us the same data in an organized way. So what will happen? We'll have our leads. So we can also ask ChatGPT to provide these leads in an Excel sheet. So what will happen after generating this? I'll show you that how we can ask ChatGPT to provide us the data in the Excel sheet. Like you can see that the strong and conditioned faz, they didn't provide any email address, but this channel, Think Big Bodybuilding's quote, they have provided their email address. So just like that, we can extract the emails from the Google as well. Now we will ask the chat GPT. So here chat GPT will analyze the data, and it will gather the data into the Excel sheet. So what will happen? We'll have an organized data in the Excel sheet. So I'll also show you. It will just like take a few seconds, and then it will provide you the data in the Excel sheet. So this is the method we can get the like we can generate leads from the Google for free, like without any cost. Otherwise, people have to buy or buy any software or any AI tool that can generate the leads. But we can do it with Google for free. And here you can also see that ChatGPT has generated us an Excel sheet with the same data that we have provided and with an organized sheet. So if we can, after downloading it, we can also see it in the Google, in the Excel sheet, that here we have the data. Here we have the data. We can use this data to contact the customers or send them the cold emails so that we can get work or like whatever the use you want. So it also provided us the metrics as well, like how how much this person got the reach in a last few days, or how much he have the subscribers. Like this person have 1.85 million subscribers. So that is how we can generate leads. We are going to ending this video now, and if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and you can join our channel for further videos like this. Thank you so much for supporting. Have a very nice day ahead. Bye.